So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT. We just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong, or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.
Alright, hello. Tests, audio check. Ako pala yung nawala yung internet. Sorry guys. So what's up? Good afternoon everyone. It's your boy Yuri with ZFT and 2trade Asia's charting platform, charting session. Alright, so ganyan, good afternoon sa inyong lahat guys. How's your Monday? How's your first trading day of the week? I hope everybody is fine. Everybody is happy with what's moving, no, for last week and this week, of course. So, shoutout muna tayo before we check. Sino mga Team Yuri dyan? Comment naman guys from Trading Republic Team Yuri. Let's go! Let's go! Alright, shoutout kay Let's say, check team. Si Joshua andito din, Nikolai andito din. What's up? Cyrex from Itibac, what's up? Diyan, Adrian Castillo, yan, si Sir. Good afternoon. Leovin, andito din si Resh Gonzaga. What's up? We have Gary Togadi from North Caloocan City. What's up, sir? Hope you're doing good. Lawrence Villa, check. Andrel, nandito din, check. Lawrence Villa, pa-shoutout, sir. Siyempre, shoutout sa iyo. I hope you're doing good. We have Paolo Abaday Pedrosa. Good afternoon, new here. All right, welcome, Sir Paolo. We do this every Monday. Every Monday, wala pa yung miss since kaya pa tayo nag-start, guys. When was the last was it August, September? Was it every 3 p.m. Monday. Okay. July pa pala. July, August, September, October, November. Mga 5 months na din pala tayo, guys, no? We have Harold Malabanan, Team Yuri, check. Yun! Team Yuri, si Joshua, Team Yuri din ba to? Pati si Etsy, Team Yuri din pala. Check from Wadab, si Lawrence Gino Royo. Check from the top of the tower. Nako, saan tower yan, boss? At special shout out to our very own Ovovwe, Inetetwe, Oguvambe, Osas. Alright, isa sa mga fan natin yan, guys, no? Mga loaded natin dyan, who's always here. So shout out sa iyo, boss. Thank you very much for tuning in. Andito din si Silvino Passion Pagdanganan Jr. from Doha, Qatar. Ayan. Shout out. We have Will as well. Good PM, boss. Si Rafael Duque. Shout out, sir. What's up? Andito din si Anne from Hong Kong. Ayan. We have Nathaniel Arihola. Check. Andito din si Fritz from Cavite. And hi, Sir Yuri, present po, sabi ni Frederick Sandalo. Alright! So guys, a very exciting afternoon, no? A very exciting afternoon for us traders in the Philippine market. If you have been, tuned with us for the last few weeks and months, pretty sure may nasakyan kayo and very happy kayo. Siguro. Shoutout sa mga sinaktan ni Aba today. Si Trend Rider, nasaktan ata to, guys. Nasaktan. And check from fitting room ng Robinson. Nako po, nagfi-fit si Boss Beck ng suit. Ako hindi, wala pa akong suit, guys. Hanap pa tayo, guys. Hanap pa tayo. Shoutout pala sa mga taga Trading Republic who's viewing us right now. See you this Saturday. We'll have our PR homecoming. So, ayan, kita-kits tayo. Wala pa akong ticket, guys. Magbubuk pa ako, no? But, I'm pretty sure. Shout out to team. Shout out sa Team Alpha daw, sabi ni Tech. Tsaka kay Team Cosmos. Ayan. Shout out sa mga houses natin dyan, no? Alright. So, let's go ahead and talk about the Philippine market. So, ano ang nangyari, Beshikels, sa merkado natin sa Philippine market? So let's take a look at our market right now. This is the Philippine market. Okay? Ayan. Now, looking at it, like I've mentioned before, we have this downward movement here. Right? We have a downward movement here. Right? This is what I've mentioned before. All right. This is what we call liquidity void. Okay, this is what we call liquidity void. Ano yung liquidity void? Nako, 101 session na naman tayo, no? Stock market 101. So liquidity void. So ito, guys, this is what we call liquidity void. What is a liquidity void? It is a a structure na ginagawa ng isang stock or any price, no? Na walang nangyaring masyadong exchange of hands between sellers and buyers. So, anong nangyari dyan, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagbenta ng mga tao. Walang masyadong nakakabili during this time. No? Puro sell-off yan. So, from that theory, no, na there should always be a exchange between buyers and sellers to stabilize the price. Ang nangyari during a liquidity void, finifill siya. Alright? Nagkakaroon tayo ng built-in mechanism sa market natin na as much as possible, these liquidity voids are getting filled. So, ayan, these are basically a structure na ginagawa to fill the liquidity void on the left side chart or part of the chart. Okay? So, wait lang. Bakit hindi ko nakikita yung natin? Yung MAs. Taka lang guys ha. Bakit hindi ko nakikita yung mga natin? Highs and lows, indicators. Ito ba? Tama ba? Indicators, financials. Hindi eh. Symbol name. Okay. Okay, hindi ko ma-hold yung Hindi ko makita paano close yung mga MAs natin, guys. Anyways, okay, ganyan na lang yan. Anyways, looking at it, again, this is what we call liquidity void. Sige nga, i-type nyo nga dyan, guys. Liquidity void. Can you type there? Liquidity void. Okay? So, ito yung area wherein there's not much exchange of buyers and sellers here. So, tuloy-tuloy yung pagbagsak niya or pagtaas. Alright? Alright. So, tuloy-tuloy yung pagtaas or pagbagsak niya without any exchange much of buyers and sellers. So, again, type there, liquidity void. Okay, thank you very much. It's say Christian Cyrex Dict. So, ayan, yan yung tinatawag natin liquidity void. Now, as much as possible, hindi lahat, guys, hindi lahat ng liquidity voids finifill, but majority of the liquidity voids are getting filled. That is to be able to stabilize the price on that area. So, in this case, maraming sell-off dito na nangyari and then, nagkaroon ng fill. Right? Now, looking at it, we currently have a bearish wedge na formation ng market natin. And then, it's almost patapos na yung looking at it, patapos na mag-fill yung gap natin, no? Itong gap na to, yung void na to, patapos nang mag-fill. So, we're actually expecting in Trading Republic to have a retracement. Alright? Magkakaroon tayo ng retracement. I don't know when and how deep it is, no? But most likely, once everything here gets covered already from this range, I'm expecting a retracement. Now, for the retracement, I don't know if it's a deep retracement, deep correction, or maybe here lang banda, or maybe actually here lang banda. Right? But one thing is, what we're seeing is that we'll have a correction maybe this week or maybe next week. Again, how deep it is, we don't know. All right? So, with that, abang-abangan na lang natin saan siya magre-retrace. Kasi pag sobrang baba yung retracement niya, okay, most likely matagal pa mag-recover yung market. Pero what if we'll see a retracement just above 50 fib levels, right? Or maybe 382, baka mas may chance siya to recover and make a run-up by next year. Okay? So usapang next year kasi November na siya, no? We'll have the month of December pa. Right? So that would be liquidity voids. So I hope that you learned something about structure. We'll be applying that one on our first stock, which is, let's go, ABA. All right. So again, ABA here. Shout out pala kay Ulrich Marcel from Team Cosmos. Tsaka lead lead ng Finlit. Ayan sila, Tet. Ayan, what's up, what's up? Si Yami, Team Cosmos din. What's up, what's up? So let's talk about the stock ABA. Now, we're gonna apply the concept about liquidity void in AMPA. Gusto kong tanggalin yung MAs, guys, pero hindi ko magawa. Bakit kaya? What is going on? So how do we close the... Ayoko namang i-remove yung indicators. Last na lang talaga, guys. Gusto kong titles. Bar, volume, title. Ayun! Titles pala, guys. Titles. Yun. Titles. So looking at it, look at the structure of ABA, no? After running here, no, nagkaroon ng run up tapos breaking out. So look at this. Look at this. So may buy sells dyan, buy sells nangyayari. Look at the volume, right? May exchange dyan, and then afterwards nagkaroon ng boom, sudden drop in just one day. Nagkaroon ng drop ng 18% and it closed around negative 14%. The next day, gap down and then hovered around this level, right? From 220 to 230. So that is basically what happened last September. Now, like I mentioned, there's not much exchange of buyers and sellers here because isang buhos lang to, and then created a what we call liquidity void. Okay. Now, like I mentioned, our market, there is a mechanism in the market. We don't need to know the reason why, but the usual liquidity void gets filled. All right? So, kailangan siya i-fill. So, anong nangyari dito? Look at it. We're gonna extend this one to the right side. So, there you go. Nagkaroon ng breakout from this level. We have a breakout here. And then afterwards, nagkaroon ng run up, then retrace, and then finil niya tong what we call liquidity void at this level. So liquidity void filled. Right. Now the problem here is that since finil niya, right? Since finil niya to with a what? Also a strong candle. Walang masyadong nakaka-sell and buy dito. Majority of the nangyari dito is buy to lahat. Majority of this move is a buy. So since we have a liquidity void here, it gets filled there at the right side. And right now, meron na naman tayong new liquidity void na kailangan finil. So guess what? Anong nangyari? This move here gets filled over here. And then again, another liquidity void got filled. Okay? So by then, if you're gonna understand the structure, guys, this one was already fixed by this move. And this move was fixed by this move. So meaning, itong mga unusual behavior, market structure natin na hindi maganda, okay, on both sides and on this part and on this part is already fixed. So anong nangyari for me, since this is a multi-year chart, inabangan ko siya mag-breakout to see if it's now getting and correcting the right trend, which is an uptrend. It's creating the right structure and an uptrend. Because uptrend, guys, diba, series of higher highs, higher lows, ganun yung healthy uptrend. Now, this move are not healthy at all. Diba? Hindi yan healthy. Kaya inaayos ng market yan, built-in mechanism ng market, na inaayos niya yan. And then afterwards, look at this. We now have a good higher highs and higher lows inside. Alright? Okay la. So, hanggang dun muna tayo yung discussion na yan, guys, no? If you want to know more about this information, you may enroll or get inside Trading Republic or enroll in TIP. So we discuss further lessons about this. So I hope meron kayong nakuha doon, no? And by this time, you now can understand that this structure here is already fixed by here, and this problem, that structure problem over here is already fixed by here. So hindi ko na siya masyadong tinitignan kasi filled na yung dalawang void na yan. So what I want to see is this one. It's a structure here. So I started buying ABA. Buying ABA at around this level over here. Started small, and then it was confirmed by this one. It was confirmed by this move over here. We have a breakout from this high and then a higher low, and then another what we have is another breakout over here. Okay, with a good volume, and then afterwards it was confirmed by this another breakout. So we all know that the market is not that good, so I avoided buying at top box breakouts. So ang hinahunt ko would be this breakout, and dito ako medyo nag-heavy, guys, at around 250 levels. Madami akong bumili dito sa 250 levels. May tranche na ako at 240 something, and then bomba superior at 250 levels, right? And then also, mind you, since these structures are now basically corrected, this one is corrected, this one is corrected, and this one is corrected, the breakout that I'm seeing is not here, but this one. So this is going to be the significant breakout that I'm seeing. So with that move, nagkaroon tayo ng retest over here. Ang ganda nga ng structure ng ginawa, retest, and then another tight consolidation, and then boom, another breakout. So yung ad ko, so we have first tranche here, another tranche here, and another tranche over here. So hindi na ako nag-add here na breakout kasi yung tinignan ko structure is this one, and then it's quite hovering nicely with a confirmed breakout with a heavy volume. Now look at it, the volume here is a cross trade. Tinignan namin yan, parang 50 million cross trade. We have another cross trade here, but onti lang din. But majority of the trades, volume trades, are legit naman. Okay, so afterwards, boom, 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 boom. So wala na. Parang I won't be when you're dealing with stage 2 cases, no, or second base, after breakout ng first base, no, ang nangyayari dito, hindi yan magbibigay ng gentleman's entry. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa mga TIP students ko. Shout out sa mga TIP students ko. Now, where you're dealing with stage 1 to stage 2 bases, no, when you're counting bases, pag mag-breakout yan sa first stage, ang nangyayari dyan, hindi yan magbibigay ng gentleman's entry. So as much as possible, what you'd like to do is that you need to know kung anong stage, banda siya ng stage 1. Am I trading the stage 1A or B? So pag you were able to identify, B is just basically the first base, or stage 1 is basically the first base na ginawa ng isang stock. Yung B is basically kung saan siya nagta-tighten up and posing for a breakout. So that's what we call stage 1B. So in this case, pag na-identify mo yon, and dun ka na bumili sa before the high breakout. Ito, before this breakout, dun ka na bumili before that breakout. Kasi alam mo na this won't give you a gentleman's entry. Alright? Kaya may naging whippish yung nangyari sa kanya earlier. Whippish yung nangyari. So shout out sa mga napagpag dyan. Okay lang yan kasi pretty sure an uptrend would always give you another entry for another structure, no? So hopefully hindi naman siya magdiretso. So I'm not sure if legit yung volume kanina. We have HV1, or highest volume in 1 year breakout. So meaning in 1 year since November last year. Where's November, September, October. November 2021. So here, since this one over here, is that November? Sorry, pa pala. Right. So since November, if we're gonna take a look at this one, right? There's no other volume na mas malaki dito. But I'm not quite sure if legit volume though. This one. Is this a cross trade? Tek, may alam ka ba? Is this cross trade volume? Kasi for the last buy volumes natin, mga cross trades yung nangyari. I'm not sure if merong cross earlier hour. Okay, meron nga, guys. So nagpapansin basically itong stock na to. So right now, what's next? Since we were able to identify that this stock is basically, so actually we've been watching this since forever. Cross lang ni Regina, sabi ni Will. Okay. Anyways, we're currently at RSI 70. Okay, breakout. Hovering at RSI 70 breakout. So what we want to see next, okay? What we want to see next would be the stock should not go down below 660. All right, at least half of the Fib levels at Fibonacci 50 levels. So what we want to see that this stock should only hover above this level or create a consolidation or whatsoever. Okay? But if it closed below 260, delikado na siya. So, mahina siya if it goes 261. There would be chance na mag 261 siya. And then recover. Pag ganun nangyari, marami tayong mapapakat siguro and break even. But hopefully not. It's just gonna consolidate above 260 to 265 levels. So may whippish na nangyari na structure kanina, umaga, -5 siya intraday, and then bumawi. Alright. So hopefully we'll have a healthy retracement and healthy consolidation before it's gonna go move up. Again, invalidation for this trade idea would be if it breaks at 260. So pag nag-break na 260 yan, pag tayo lahat, tapos wait and see na naman tayo kung sino yung, ano yung potential gagawin niya or leader. At least that's what I'm thinking, no? Now, am I recommending ABA for a trade? Like I've mentioned over and over again, we're just laying out what we are planning. Okay, personally, what I plan on and how I do my trades. We don't do any recommendation here. We just give you out our ideas on how we trade and how I personally think about doing a trade like this. So it's up to you if you wanna, make plans for this. But hopefully, like I've mentioned, risk first in everything. Do position size right, and make sure to study before engaging in the stock market, especially the newbies out there. So check Ken Cabonce, shout out. Isa sa mga, I think, Team Yuri ba to si Boss Ken? Okay. Hindi ko sure. Okay. Si Alvin din, John Abisames from Team Clarity. Ayan, mga students ni Sir Seth. Sir Seth, good afternoon. Kung andyan ka man, shout out. Sino pa ba dito? Ayun. So, shout out okay. Team Alpha pala si Ken. Okay. Noted. Looking at the weekly chart. We have a very strong move here. ABA, no? After the breakout, the big base over here, and now it's trying to go up. So, like I've mentioned, multi-year pa to siya, pero alam ko may resistance siya somewhere. I'm not sure where. I think it's around 3-ish something. Right? So, ayun. A very healthy trend. Look at it. Okay? Binasag lang niya yung EMA 10 natin, consolidate, breakout, and then nag-recover siya here. Ito talaga yung buy day natin, guys. So, last, mga buy days natin. Tsaka ito. So, this one, ano lang tayo, hintay-hintay na lang kung anong structure next gagawin. Alright. So, RJ Alfonso, Team Payami. Okay, very nice. LFG, Team Payami. So, we have some stocks that you want to take a look at. But before that, we'll go through with some names, yung watch list natin. Right, we have ABA. We're done with it. By the way, shout out sa mga naka-trade Converge. Converge bounce, which I personally was not able to do so, made around 35% or more than I think. From the bottom, mga around 37%. We have a breakout here, bounce from here, and then tuloy-tuloy yung kaligayahan. Now, currently, what I'm seeing, we're already looking at topping phase. May kaya pa niya siguro abutin yung 1660 if sobrang lakas niya. But other than that, I believe that's the end of the move with Converge. So 3382 to 50 Febs level, and a void over here might be filled, but let's see. So congratulations. One thing I'm also looking at would be, like I mentioned, si GFC. No, sobrang lakas ng GFC with a very good volume here after the good run up. Nagkaroon tayo ng movement here, breakout, confirmation, validation, and we have another breakout. So congrats sa mga nakasakay sa Jollibee. Hopefully goods kayo dyan sa manok nyong hawak, no? So shout out. We have a breakout. We have a clear breakout ni Jollibee over here. Alright, so 3MB setup si Jollibee. Ayan, sabi ni Boss Ken. So 3MB setup. So sa mga hindi alam ano yung 3MB setup, if you wanna know more about it, we have, hindi ko alam kailan ko na-discuss, but you can just review the sessions that we have before. So here, minimum of at least 3 candles and a resistance break. So we have here 1, 2, then breakout. So ayun, happy riding with the trend kay Jollibee. And next, what I'm looking was next with ano nga ulit yun, AP. Yan, si AP, I think 3MB, hindi. So within the range. So may resistance siya at 36, but this one over here, ito yung break nga as of the moment. But so far so good pa naman. But yun nga, under the range pa si AP. I think yun lang yung difference niya between Jollibee and AP. AP after the breakout here, nagkaroon tayo ng retest of the break. Diba? So we have a good VCP pattern here. We have breakout, confirmation, and then run up. So hopefully maabot yung 35-36 for this move. That's AP. Another one that I was looking out before was LR. Namatay siya. We have bounce place. Hindi ko rin siya na-trade yung bounce place, guys. So shout out sa mga tumira nito, no? Maybe around 30% move, no, from the lows. So congratulations on trading the bounce. Right now, believe me, you don't need to buy the stock. Just let it be. Just make it, hayaan mo lang siya. Kung mamamatay pa siya, mag-consolidate na matagal. But definitely, this move is not a healthy one at all. Right? Nagkaroon na tayo ng retest of Sepangs here. Right? After breaking here, Sepangs. So that's not a good move already. Bloom was not able to move and recover, but nakalagay na tayo dyan ng mga alerts in case Bloom will break out. ME, we have growing here already. It's now retesting the, ito lang, masyadong ano yung drawing natin. Wait lang. Yan. So it's now trying to retest the recovery levels. Okay. After making the move, retest, breaking out, it's now trying to make this one. So hopefully, ME would be able to move next week or maybe next month. Eagle, same thing. Pwede ka na daw magbenta sa tender offer nito ng 22 something. So ako personally, I have this one. I already sold. I bought somewhere here. Gain around, I guess 7%. So, ayun. Yun lang yung move ko dito kay Eagle. Wala na akong Eagle, guys. So, hanggang December 7 ata yung ano niya, tender offer. If I'm not mistaken. So those are basically the things or the stocks that I was looking at. SPNEC made a move over here around 20%. Ang galing, no? Ako nakabenta ko somewhere here. Binenta ko na siya. So, hindi ko na siya nasakyan here. So congratulations sa mga nakasakay, guys. Sa mga movements na to. So LR, AP, Eagle, Wilcon, definitely still a good structure that we're looking at. Right? So may magandang structure si Wilcon. And then it's trying to break out actually. Nag-breakout siya here, tas nag-retest and then nagkaroon ng run-up. So I believe Wilcon is still very, very good. So those are the names that I'm looking at, no? So sabi ni JLXJ, so sad, gusto ko mag-open ng account kaso isa lang yung valid ID na meron ako kasi nasa ibang bansa ako. PM mo yung 2trade Asia, guys, JL. I think kaya nilang, I think one ID lang yung kailangan, if I'm not mistaken. Basta valid ID lang siya. So you can you send the link, Tech? Anyone who wants to create an account with us with 2trade Asia or transfer from one broker to another, you may be able to do so. All you need to do is click on the link provided. You can also PM 2trade Asia directly, and then they definitely would help you out with that. All right. So thank you very much. So far, ABA, Espinec, Lean, Emmy, Bloom, LRIP. So sa lahat guys ng stock guys, ABA lang talaga yung potential true market leader, PML. Right? So ito lang yung, andito lang yung nakafocus yung mata ko. Other than that, wala na. Eagle sold, maybe, I have an interesting, yung LPM ba yun? Ano ba yun? LFM. Anong stock ngayon guys? Yung bago. Forgot the name. Liberty nila. Ano nga yun, Tech? Yung bagong stock? L something. Tignan ko dito. Kalimutan ko guys. LPC. Ayun, LPC pala. So very illiquid siya na stock coming from, this move over here. But I think kaya mong ma-squeeze if marunong ka mag-trade ng mga ganito. I started buying just a little amount of shares, guys. When I say a little, very little. Trying to catch the momentum move. So ito yung so far malaking volume niya on the downtrend. Recovery, never na siya nag-beat ng new low. So maybe we'll see a move here for LPC. But if it breaks this 1,330, parang okay, pass. Yun lang naman. Yun ang mga interesting news. But majority of my medyo mabigat na ako dito kay Haba. My EP is now around 266 if I'm not mistaken. Buying here, 270. So 266 na. Others, hindi na ako nagdagdag. Find your love here. Girls for that X. YC. Anong girls? Ano yung ganyan, guys? Ano yung ganyan mga comment? Okay, shoutout sa sino man yon. So may question tayo kay Paul Magbuhos. Boss Yuri, pag ganyan puro big caps, magaganda yung chart. Mas malaki pa naging alok nyo since maliit sila gumalaw. Yes! So say stocks like AP, I can definitely put a bigger allocation for this. Kasi kapag nag-cut ka, maliit lang eh. Tapos pag gumalaw, maliit lang din siya. So pag gumalaw, then good siya. Diba? So bigger allocations. Yung cut ko pag ganito, 2% lang. Minsan nga lang 3, ganun. So mas malaki yung allocs ko for big caps. Liquid kasi, madali mag-cut guys. Okay? So, ano pa ba yung mga tinitingnan ng mga stock ng mga tao dito? Tingnan ko nga if may worth the chart. So sabi ni Lee Austin Yabut. Sabi niya Monde and then ASEX. When was the last time I looked at this chart Monde? Oh, Monde is trying to recover. Right, so Monday is trying to recover, but then again, I'm not seeing any accumulation volume whatsoever. And then it's basically retesting its previous line. Breakout line. So looking at it, parang sepangs pa rin siya. Now this is the support breakdown, and then boom, retested, and then most likely sideways na matagal if you're wishing for a breakout, or worst, sepang sideways and then dead continuation pababa. So I'm not recommending Monde at all. That's a no for me. ASEX. Okay, so this is interesting. ASEX, we have a sideways move after. Tingnan natin guys. Boom! Ayan. So, master na ng mga TIP students ko about base counting, no? So, we've run up over here. We have 1, 2, actually 3. 1, 2, 3 consolidations. retracement at 6682 and then sideways and then trying to recover. So let's see if this is a legit move. ASEX for me is a bit nice but still too early. Siguro kung dito na si ASEX, I'd be interested somewhere here. Yan, up to about 382, 236 levels. So yun. It's a good stock ASEX. So sabi ni Darvin Tan, MWC, Manila Water Corporation. So Manila Water, na-drawing na natin to, no? Na nagkaroon ng Sepang Sear consolidation and then breakout. So ito yung sinasabi ko guys, pag breakdown, retest. So break of this level, recovery area, and then run up. For me, sell na siya. Andun na siya sa sell point. Just look some resistances maybe around here or around here, that area. That for me is, this move is already sell. Extended move coming from the lows. So yeah, I'm not recommending this stock for you to buy. Lampas na siya 382.50. Siguro kaya pa niya mag 680, siguro natin, but definitely this is a sell mode already. If you wish to be buying MWC, siguro yung buy mode should be a breakout over here. And then the rest over here is already a sell or target prices. SECB. So let's take a look at SECB. So recovery ng banks, no? Tignan ko yung video, guys. BPI. Wala, SECB. SECB yung malakas. SECB is nice. We have good volumes over here for SECB. Buy volume after niyang mag-breakdown dito, nag-bottom siya, and then recovery. Yeah, definitely SECB is a good stock to buy. You have a breakout, all MAs are below prices. Structure lang siguro kailangan ni SECB, knowing that it's a bit heavy stock. So siguro somewhere here. And then tradable pa siya hanggang dito. Dito na area. Alright, so bagal-bagal nga lang to guys, but this is a tradable stock. Good job in spotting SECB. So next would be Converge. Ay, tapos na to Converge. So Converge, the play is already almost done. Like I've mentioned, siguro the pinaka-kaya niya dito abutin is maybe up until here. But any move from here is already a sell. So if ever bibili ka dito, stop would be here. Your sell zones would be anywhere above it. From here to here. Sell na siya. So it's not a buy and hold type of thing. Eagle. So done with Eagle. I already sold mine. Again, tender offer December 7 if I'm not mistaken. So ayun. Check JFC done. Eagle, yeah, just mentioned Eagle done already. What else? PLC, is it PLC ba tong inaano ni Josh? Hindi. I think LPC yung sinasabi niya. Now let's wow. So now, no, I know naka-move nyo, tinitin niya itong move na to, but definitely not a good stock, guys. Not a good stock. This is just like a pump and dump type of move, I believe. This one. So maybe you'll see a move over here. So intraday traders, kung kaya nyo i-trade to, pwede, but definitely not a good stock for you to buy and hold. A quick trade pwede right now. But other than that, wala na. MWC done already. Discuss this one. Upside for MWC, meron pa. JFC done dito. Let's take a look at dito. Dito trying to make a reversal move, guys, from a breakout here, retest 50 MA, and then right now breakout from 50 MA. So now trying to retest, trying to recover the area over here. But like I've mentioned, for this type of stocks, any move above this level, 360 is a sell for me. I don't trust the move yet. SecB done. URC also done. Are we done with URC? Yeah, hindi pa pala. Kasi URC, maganda din pala to guys, oh. After the move over here, drop and then trying to recover. All MAs are below prices. We are having a breakout, consolidation, and then baka may upside pa siya. So for me, URC sell anywhere between 150 above. Kung kaya niya abutin yan, ha? If that would be like your potential target price. 148, 150 is already a good sell for me. I doubt if abot dun siya, but abot siguro if gaganda yung market, but right now wala. EPX, weekly chart. Wow, this is a nice spot. APX. Galing naman ni Aceton. So, APX, the reason why sabi ko wow, ganda, because it's trying to create a base, right? It's trying to create a base. After the move here, nag-try siya. So, wala, another one over here. Pero I think matagal-tagal pa to. So, look at the daily chart. Ito yung tsura niya. Right? So, it's trying to make this type of move again. This type of move again. And then we'll see if legit yung consolidation niya and then breakout. Ganun yung titignan natin for APX. I think this is a mining stock. Keeper. But definitely, weekly chart looks nice. Keeper, on the other hand, no. This is a no for me. Downtrend, no clear structure. Lahat ng chart, kakamukha na parang ganito nagre-reverse, but no. Mac. Alright, so si Mac, this is Mac. Macro Asia. This one. Mac is a no for me. Mac is basically a clear. Ayan concept of liquidity voids that gets filled. If naka-start kayo ng discussion, this one. Getting filled, sepangs, and then potential drop. Or sideways. So, this one too. Another liquidity void. All breakout buys, diba? Here. Saan siya na-fill? Over here. So, yeah. Those are concepts that you need to understand when dealing with voids. Not all, nafe-fill. SEC, Semirara Corporation. SEC is a buy now, today. If nakita niyo yung today candle, potential buy siya, signal, for a bounce play. We have a breakout, cut mo somewhere is siguro here. Upside maybe here to here, kung kayang abutin. Other than that, it's not a buy and hold type of thing, SEC. So MM, let's take a look at MM. Mary Mart. No. Definitely not. MM, no. No accumulation volume whatsoever. It's just basically trying to reverse. This is what I'm saying, guys. Why would you trade something that is just trying to reverse versus uptrend already? Right? Parang no-brainer siya ba? Parang yung uptrend, pag nag-reverse yung market, tutuloy siya uptrend. Itong reversing market, reversing trend, magta-try pa lang siyang reverse. So, medyo late na siya. LTG, I'm gonna pass on this. Medic, we have charted this one before. We have a retest over hard retest, and then right now, consolidating very clearly. I should be using lines na lang next time para maging clear yung drawings natin. And this is the current support levels, and this is the breakout move levels. Ang kulang lang talaga, alam niyo kulang dito guys, volume. Meaning not a lot of institutional traders are here. Majority of them are basically small guys trading this. But structure-wise, okay naman siya. Yeah, tradable for me, Medic. Invalidation for this would be if it does not hold 0.73. So Medic's a monthly time frame. Yeah. So yun. Reversal nga. Reversal si Medic. So may nagtanong si Frederick Sandal. Bisaya ka rin ba, Sir Eurilicious? Yes, sir. Born and raised in... No, hindi pala. Born in Bohol, raised in Cebu. So, Cebuanong, may dugong lapu-lapu, guys. May dugong lapu-lapu. So, shoutout sa mga Cebuano dyan. And also Bisaya people in Mindanao and Visayas. What's up? ASEX is done. Done na si ASEX. So just a quick recap. Like I mentioned, for our market, siguro mag-drawing ako para next time makita nyo what I mean. So this is the current trend that the market is doing. So hopefully it's gonna make a consolidation. It's trying to fill the void here, right? This one over here. Drawing nga natin. Para next time, balikan natin, hindi tayo mawala, guys. No? So that would be the levels that we're looking at. Number 1 on the list is ABA. No question about it. It's ABA. So, very strong stock, uptrend. Tingnan nyo, weekly, outs. Monthly, outs. Diba? Puwa, as in, kung sa ZFT system, to parang no-brainer na stock. So, pag ZFT ka, tas wala, hindi mo trinay na i-trade, parang, you're doing wrong. Right? Kung babalikin natin yung basics ng ZFT system, it's like the boss breakouts, the outs, the PUA concept, trending concept, tas hindi mo siya trinay i-trade. It's okay if you traded it, nakat ka, or nag-break even ka. Pero never attempted to trade it, that's a questionable move for you. Especially to my students in Trading Republic. Siguro, Ani. This would be the last. Siguro, Ani, because personally, napagpag ako nito. I have Ani here at Breakout na hindi ko napagpag dito. Alam mo, saan ako nakabenta dito na? Ay, no, hindi. Dito pala. So, I sold at a little loss for Ani. So, hindi siya nagtuloy, unfortunately. It's creating a dip pattern over here at 618 levels. Pagpag levels here. So, ayan. Not a priority anymore. Ani is still alive though. It's just basically resting at 100 MA, which is mabagal for me. Alright? So that would be the stocks that we are looking at. Again, going back ABA. So hopefully may nasakyan nyo to, nakapagbomba kayo sa chart na to. But just manage your stock. Don't look at the upside. So sa mga low AP, so kung yung AP nyo is maybe around here, or maybe around here, or maybe around here, I don't know. Do not look at the upside. Huwag nyo nang tignan to. All you need to do is just look down. Where is your stop? 20 MA stop, EMA 10 stop. Doon nyo tignan. Okay, so that you'd be able to trend follow this. Because maybe a lot of people are already looking at their profits. Let's say, diba, parang titignan na lang. Dito yung AP ko, diba? Maybe at 260 something. Up na ako ng 11%, ganyan. Tapos, nakita mo nag-down na siya, tapos nagbenta ka. Diba? Nagbenta ka kasi nga, intraday, 11% ka na supposed to be, tapos naging break 1% na lang or break even with minus fees and taxes. And then wala ka naman talagang balak magbenta dyan. Your stop should be like EMA 10. So, hindi ka pa at a gain. So, if your trail stop is basically EMA 10, listen to me, people of the world. Especially for those guys, my students out there. Your profit, tama. Your profit is at your stop. Ayan. So, pwede natin ilagay dyan, Tech. Your profit is at your stop. Ken C, 2022. Ayan. So, shout out kay Boss Ken. Ayan. Your profit is at your stop. Okay? So, kunyari, ito yung stop loss mo, EMA 10. So, huwag ka mo nang mag-rejoice, no? Huwag ka mo nang mag-rejoice sa 11% mo kasi wala ka nang parang benta dyan But it's basically useless. So, hindi ka pa at a gain. Nasa break-even stage ka pa lang. Or maybe a little loss. Okay? So, dapat hindi mo siya tinitingnan tong move na to. You're gonna look at your trail stop. So, kunyari guys, no? Nagkaroon na tayo ng move. Nagkaroon tayo ng continuation move, no? Say, for example, we have mali. Bakit anchored view up? Say, for example, you see a move like saan ba yun? Bars pattern. So, for example, you'll see something like tayo niya, guys. Hindi pala bars pattern. Ghost feed. Ayan. So, say for example, you have a stock like this, a move like this. Say for example lang naman, no? Tapos, yung trail stop mo, dandahan na natin para ma-gets nyo yung meaning ko. So, kunyari, up ka na, di ba? Nag-up ka na, nagganyan na. Nagganyan na move. From this point to this. Ano ba yan? Asa na yun, guys? Ito pala, sorry. So, yeah, ito move to here. Yan, di ba? Up ka na, di ba? Up ka na. So, yung entry point mo is maybe around 265. So, yun yung AP mo. Real stop mo is EMA 10. So, it should be around, maybe something around here. Okay? Ayan. So, meaning, yung bibilangin mo na profits would only be from this point to this point. Kasi dyan ka lang na magbebenta eh. Wala ka ng planong blend at 15%, right? So, don't celebrate at 15%. Celebrate when you're able to sell at your stop, which is your stop is basically at around 6%. So, yan lang yung titignan na profits mo. So, kanya, let's say, for example, money-wise, may gain ka na 50K. Currently, at the open, huwag mo bilangin yan kasi hindi ka naman magbebenta dyan eh. Doon ka sa stop mo. Kung ano yung pera na nasa stop mo, which is like, may say, for example, 15K. Dapat ka lang, dyan ka lang matuwa. Okay, or maybe 20. Diyan ka lang dapat natutuwa. Kasi diyan ka lang naman magbebenta sa stock. Right? So kung mag-continue to pataas, tapos yung stop mo, syempre tataas din. Tataas din yung stop mo. Magkakaroon din ka rin ng continuation sa stop mo. So maybe here. At 50K. So dapat, doon ka lang din magbilang. 50K na ako. Okay, dito. So, ito, delete na. So, kahit 80K ka na dito, or 100K, say for example, 85K, hindi mo yan bibilangin kasi hindi ka naman magbebenta dyan. Dito ka magbebenta sa stop mo. So, again, your profit is at your stop levels. If you're doing trail stop, okay, tingin sa baba, hindi sa taas. Okay, always look at your stops, not the current move at the highs. So that's one of the techniques that I'll be able to share when you're doing trail stop, especially trend following. Okay? Okay lah. So, okay ba yun? Pakitype nga dyan, guys. Your profit is at your stop. Ayan. Pakitype nga dyan, guys. Your profit is at your stop. So that's the basics of trend 101, trend following 101. Yung pinaka core a concept of how to trend follow. Never look at the top but look at the stop. Ganda din niya. Never look at the top but look at your stop. Yon, thank you Cyrex. So sa mga hindi nagta-type diyan na may aba, sana ma-stop out ka din. Joke lang. Joke lang. Sana kumita tayong lahat, guys, na it's gonna be a Merry Christmas for us next month. So, hindi tumuloy, sadla, but yun talaga, buhay ng trader. Alright, so I guess that is it. Just a few announcements lang, guys, before we go. Again, Trading Republic Homecoming, this would be on Saturday. So, I'll be there. See you guys. There would be lots of fun things to do. There would be food, games. You'll meet a lot of people there that sa Zoom nyo lang nakikita. Mentors such as me, Alpha, Jasper, Cosmos, Z is there, and a lot of people in Trading Republic. So hope you'll be there. Thank you very much for listening. Again, see you next week, same time, same day, Monday, same time, 3 p.m. Again, this has been your host, Eurylicious. Stay delicious, guys. Bye-bye.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung papaano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.